Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install Notion application on your PC or laptops. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer and then in the URL box type in notion.com/desktop and search. Now you'll end up in this page where you'll need to scroll a bit down and look for this download for Windows button. Simply tap on that and then you'll start the download process for Notion setup file. Once the download is done, click on Open File underneath the option and then the installation should start on your computer. Wait until the installation is done and after completing the setup, you will get Notion application downloaded right on your computer. So that's how you can easily download Notion application on your PC or laptop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.